Tradespeople's Tips. Today we're going to be doing some kind of a building work. I've just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We have a birla bed that we're going to be taking unboxing and assembling. We have 3 packages, so we're going to open all 3 of these and let you see what we have. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay, this is where we're at, and this is box 3 of 3, box 1 of 3. Okay, this one's box 1 of 3, and inside this box you get all of this lot. Okay, it's quite a bit going on there. I haven't got a foggies. That's where all your bits to put it together and your instruction manual. We're gonna have a look through that. But if you look on here, you will see all your bits are numbered somewhere along the line. Okay, so that's box number 1, box number 3 of 3. Let's come over here. This must be box number 2 of 3. Yeah, there you go. This is what you get in box number 2. And then on this one here, which is box number 3 of 3, we have all of these. Okay, here we go. I've laid it all out. I'm going to start from the bottom end, which is down here. We have 13 and 14, 11 and 12. Right, now these numbers are here somewhere. Obviously not this side. This one is 12. This one is 11. 11 and 12. Get our thingamajig. Now we have 11 and we have 12. Right, on this side here is 14 and 13. So we have 13 and 14. This one here is center. No, let's start with that one on that side. Alright, that one is 9. Okay, so we've checked that out. It's 9. We don't have to show you the number because you can see. Okay, 9. Let's say, for argument's sake, so we're going through all of it. We have it all laid out how it's supposed to be. What we have next is all our fittings. Over here we have a bag full of these bits and screws to hold it all together, pegs to put it to where pegs go, and we're gonna do it all, put it all together, tacks to tack on the backs or whatever. I'm gonna put it all together and then show you what we're doing. Let me get this open and laid out. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, this is where we're at. We've put all our bits and pieces in as instructed on here. We've got those lot that we haven't used, but so far we've got 2 of those left over. As you can see, we put those in there. We've put them in along there. I'm assuming, being presumptuous now, that these are where the wheels go, because we've got 8 of them. Okay, up here there's a hole there. I don't know what that's for yet, but we ain't come to that. We've just basically followed again there. We just basically followed the instruction up to here where we are. Again, there, all the bits are in according to the instructions. There again, these are just the slots that goes on, so we haven't got anything to do with that. These ones I've put in, but I've put the screws in at the same time, just a couple of turns to make sure that they're lined up before I go putting it all together and then having to twist around with a screwdriver. But it's just a couple of turns to take it back out again. The rest of it again the same. These ones here, I don't know how superstitious you are, but because this is a headboard sort of thing, and these bits are numbered 6 each, I ain't gonna say no more. Yeah, took the labels off, dashed them away. Yeah, fool myself. And that, again, all the bits in it. This one, I've just leaned it up here because once I put it together, I kind of figured, if you look at it, see the holes really kind of line up, sort of thing. Anyway, that's the way it's labeled. So we're gonna start by putting that bit together and this bit together and see where we get on from there. Yeah, that's about it at the moment. So let's lay it out. We need to flip our page now, see what we're doing next. And there we go. That's what we're doing next. So we need to find our bits, get our screws. Your screws, for example, that is G, alright? You need bag G. There you are. That's the one you need to put these together. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Right, so we're gonna put these bits together now and get back to you, and then just carry on and carry on. Just once we've done that, we show you. Then we do that, we show you. Okay, this is where I'm gonna fix the rest of the sides on, because if I come around here and I show you, you can see the pegs there, they just fall inwards, and all I've got to do is just plonk that back on, put the screws back in and lock it up, which is exactly what I'm going to do now, and everything should line up, I hope. And then I got a job picking it up off the floor. See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're at, and as you can see, what we've done, got this bit, laid it on the floor, built this up to here, leave this top panel off, so we just put these in. These are screwed in from the bottom. Right, so from there we've put this piece on. Now we're going to put our sides on, but we need to pull our bed back, okay, this way again now, in order to bolt those bits on. So remember these, yeah, these are D, as you can see in here. On here, let's go to number 10. See where the D is? That's where you tack them in. Okay, because it tells you in there D. Okay, I'm gonna carry on, stop chat rubbish. See you in a minute. Okay, there we are. Got our last bits that we're trying to do up. So we've put our pins in, okay, just here. Get a screwdriver just inside there. And just twist, and that should lock it in. There you go. That's 2. Make sure the pin is in. 3 and 4. Right. So I'm gonna do that with the other side, and then I'm gonna join it to these two. Okay. See you in a minute. Right, I've got that bit together. All I did was stand it up, locate it all, and press it together. Same as I'm gonna do with this side here. And then get me a screwdriver and lock them. Let me just show you. Screwdriver in there. And that one's locked already. Let's try this one. There you are. So I'm just going to crack on. I need to get a move on. Yeah? See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's our bed. Oh, we can step back a bit, see if you can see it, all of it. There you go. All built up and good to go. Right, I'm going to try and talk you through it now. Okay? Once you've got all your bits and pieces fitting, your chrome lockers and things, in fact, you can do that as you go along. What you need to do, okay? What I was trying to say is, once you've got all of these bits sort of inserted and the bits that attach to it, just lock it together, what you then do is, if you build all of this, okay, put it down on the floor, drop that piece down on the floor, attach this piece to this piece, right? Attach the sides once you've done that, then attach the top, okay? Once you've done that and that's all attached together, you put your backing on. Once you put your backing on, you stand it up, right? You get your two sides, one there and one here, and you line them up. Put your bolts through there. You've already got your bolts stuff sorted out. Put them through so you can just hang it on it. Right, then you come down here and you put your cams in. That's what they're called. Put your cams in either side, and the rod that joins them together. Join it, and the pegs, right? Check your instruction. Join it together, squeeze them together, lock it up. Get your sides here, attach it here. Keep it resting on the screw down there just to keep it level. I just attached it there with the bolt. There's the bolts that goes through, okay, either side. Just catch them, go down the other end, catch them, go down the other end, catch them, catch them. Do these ends first, I would say. Once you've got this together, you get it together, lock your cams up on your locating dials. It should be good enough. Then you catch this end, catch that end. Then you go down that end and catch that end and catch that end. And your slots, you just put your boards on and you just space them out. See? What I use a bit of the polystyrene from the packaging, and it just happened to work out perfect. Yeah. Then you screw them down again. No power tools. If it goes funny, they won't guarantee you on the warranty. Your drawers, simple. It's straightforward. Put your wheels on, flip it over. Put your sides on, lock those on with your cams either side. Then you put your back on, put two screws in it, one down, screw the sides on. If you haven't got someone to hold it for you, just put two screws through it and let it rest on the screw while you catch the other end. Catch the other end. Once you've done that, then you put the whole lot on top of this drawer, front drawer here. Locate it on, line it up. You got your screws, run around it, screw it. But put your wheels on first. I don't know if I said that, but yeah, do that. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us again. Thanks for your support. Thanks for subscribing. Hope this video helps you out. And if you're out there robbing people, like I say, just stop doing it. It don't make no sense. Because when I ain't gonna lecture you. You're all big people. People, take care of each other and take care of yourself. See you later.